Hello? Guys. This is my old family camera. Welcome to my YouTube video. We're about to munch. I got Portuguese style chicken and maple bourbon salad. This is fucking nuts that this thing works. I just bought new batteries to make this all work. This is the house. It's messy. I bought this today. Facebook Marketplace. I need a bowl and a plate. We're gonna do a little eating first, and then I think we're gonna install a bidet, and I think that will be my YouTube video. But we're definitely doing a mukbang at first, so we're copying Audrey. Shout out Audrey. Need a fork. I don't really know what I'm gonna be talking about, but this video is why what is it called? All my friends are secretly plotting against me. Guys, you don't understand how surreal this is. This is the camera I had when we were like, you know, kindergarten, going to do the school plays and stuff. But I hope the quality's good. Let's see. This is gonna be very raw, emotional type of mukbang. Can I zoom out? No, that's in. That's out as far as it goes. An entire peri-peri chicken. I'm not gonna slam it all back today. You know I could. You know, ginger beef champ. But just to save face, I won't do that today. Anyways, didn't feel like cooking, so we're doing this instead. And you know what? That's okay. That's okay to do. It's not wrong, not immoral. This is too much sauce. I'm gonna have to say that. I have my own sauce. We'll do Caesar. This is a maple bourbon, the one I bought, but it's just me. Everyone's not here today, so I don't want to open up that packet, right? Like this thing. And now now I just have half a packet because I'm only eating whatever amount. First world problems. But, I gotta show you guys a haul of everything as well. Sneak peek. I bought this. Whoa. Oh yeah. X-Shot Hydro Cannon. That's my secret weapon. I'm gonna do this. There we go. Yeah, Emma's dad threatened me with a water gun. And he revealed all his cards too early, so I'm gonna pull up with that and show him who's top dog. But let's dive into this peri-peri chicken. Yeah, don't really know what to talk about. I got a haul to show you guys. This is so good. I used to get this exact peri-peri chicken in Fort Mac. It's hard to beat. The flavor is so good. Tender. Fell off the bone. I bought 2 bidets today on Amazon. Because I feel like the return is better. I don't know. I'm not proud of it. But they came in and and we're gonna install at least one of them, and then I'll show you how it works. Even, but this is just the type of wacky shit I get up to, wacky stuff I get up to when I'm home alone and no one else is in the city. Wacky, wild stuff. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about. I'm really excited for the new Odyssey movie. I don't know, I think it might be out. I don't know if it is out. But it's really disappointing that you can't just watch it at a regular theater. Like, I want to experience it how it should be experienced. And I'm all for IMAX, I think that's cool. But I don't know. The average person deserves like the best. Not the best. The average person deserves the best. No, I want to be able to watch it at least properly. And I don't think I'm going to be able to do that unless I go to Telus World of Science, which is fine. I love going there. I don't know how expensive it is. It's really freaking hot. I'm about to eat the wing, one of them. The flat. New technique, guys. Or one of the techniques. That slides right off. Did you see that? The tendonism. Then you grab and just watch. Guys, come on. Ginger beef champ, don't fuck around. We do shit right. I really would like to do another eating competition. I have one under my belt. I feel like I'm still very underground. I'm not a big name quite yet in the biz. Oh my god, it's so fucking hot. I'm burning my fingertips. I know there was that pierogi one in Calgary, and like we kind of joked about doing it. I wasn't really joking though. I wanted to do it. But I feel like I have to train. I think winning. Holy moly. I'm sorry, the way this fell off. I would touch this camera. Or I don't want to touch it. It's so juicy, guys. It's so juicy. It's dripping. Oh my god. Go get yourself one of these. It's good. It's really good. Fuck the salad. Just get a whole chicken and eat it. Whole thing. Anyways, eating competitions. Would love to do a hot dog eating competition. I don't think I do well at all. I think there's some absolute fucking demons out there who can just, slam those down, but just for the love of the game, I want to do it. That's amazing. It's really hard to beat. I think I need to... I don't know. I was supposed to do a lot of cleaning today. And as you can imagine, didn't do that. I did get quite a few hours in Instagram Reels. So, felt like absolute dog shit. But I left the house. I did leave the house, I got a microwave. I got things done. Emma's texting me. Can't text her because my fingers are chicken. Do you guys like chicken skin? So good. But yeah, I'm really excited for everyone to be back. You know, I feel like it's been a fun summer for most people, for everyone. At least eventful. But like everyone's like, Audrey will be back soon. Griffin will be back. I know Catherine's gone, but I have a feeling things will be awesome. Hopefully. But yeah, like Aiden's close to Calgary, right? But I'm just trying to have fun, guys. And no one's here to have fun. Cabin, holy fuck. We're gonna take that hydro cannon to the cabin. And we're gonna put her to use. I may need to employ all of you to help me out with my mission against Gavin. Emma's dad is Gavin. And he thinks it's all sweet. Shit ain't sweet. Shit ain't sweet. You don't threaten me like that. No. I'm talking water balloons. I'm talking water guns. I'm talking water buckets. Just absolutely slime him. Oh, slime! We can slime him! That'll be fun. Cabin, guys. Surfing. Food. Chillaxing. Relaxing, maxing. Out by the school. It'll be such a fun time. Surfing, guys. The boat is so good. You can chill and be active at like 2 in 1. Head and shoulders, 2 in 1. It's great. Like whatever you want, whatever you want to accomplish that weekend, like can be accomplished. It can be done. And that's the beauty of it. That's really the beauty of it all. Hoo-wee. That bottom of the chicken, just soaking up the juices. Do you guys like watching mukbangs? Okay, it's weird. I don't like watching mukbangs where they're just like eating. And eating like kind of gross. Or like what I'm doing now, like eating and talking to the camera. I do like eating with a mission. I love videos like that. Like eating competitions or eating challenges. I love tier list eating. So like they'll order, you know, or they'll get like, this is every flavor from Lay's chips or whatever. This one's, you know how it works. I love watching those videos where they order everything, every single item off a menu. Fucking, I love that shit. That's brain rot. But other than that, like, yeah, like those, like sloppy eating, like I'm not a big fan, I feel. And, you know, is that crazy? Is that crazy? Do people really like their mukbangs? Or maybe, you know, like, I don't like ASMR. I think that's my thing. That's my issue, I guess. Is that I don't like the noises. Or, yeah. Yeah, let's just say I don't like the noises. Not for me. But that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Next weekend, I think I can make a pretty good video. I'm gonna be hitting up IKEA with Jug and possibly his sister. Emma will be out of town again. Alright. We'll be hitting up IKEA. Slamming a hot dog, an IKEA hot dog. I don't want to promise, but possibly double fisting even, but let's not get our hopes up. But the purpose of this IKEA trip, I need a desk for my computer, my gaming setup. Right now everything's kind of on the floor, still like in boxes. It doesn't spark joy. But a desk, and maybe even some compartments and whatnot. Holy moly! Now we have a setup. We can sit and play games and do stuff. You know what I mean? Instead of scrolling, I could be a bum on the computer. One thing I need to get back into is Supernatural, or like watching shows. I'm not a big watcher show guy, like movie. There's so much shows or movies that I want to watch. I feel like I don't commit. I don't know why. I feel like I need someone to experience it with me. Which is like, I don't know. I hate watching something that no one else has seen. Because then who am I going to fucking talk to about it, you know? It's weird. A lot of animes that I want to watch. But oh, that's hot. Alright, now we're eating the breast. The breasticle. It's really good. Of course, drier than the leg and the thigh. But by all means, this is pretty good. You know? I've definitely had juicier. But, you know, I'm not unhappy. Mm. 2 weeks ago? 1 week ago? Anyways, we got Jug a guitar for his birthday. Beautiful looking thing. I'm always saying that because I can see my guitar. So, reminded me. But, we gotta get the band back together. You know? I need a reason to practice. I need to get good again. I feel like I'm just rusty and there's no passion, which I hate. I like playing guitar. But yeah, like having someone to play with you. Just like most things, I feel like, yeah, like I like to watch shows with people. I like to, I don't know, man. Play music, all that shit. Oh, my hands are so nasty, but I need water. The next challenge, first challenge video. Drink water, no hands. Elbows allowed and arms allowed. Step 1 done. This is the part most people fail at, so be careful. Don't try this at home. Unless you're a professional. Wow. What rejuvenating, might I say. Whew. We have Caesar sauce right here. I'm gonna dip some in. Man. None of that came through. All peri. Oh my god. I swallowed a big chunk. We're good. I should chew my food more. And I think about this quite a lot actually. But I get big chewers. I do chew everything. I definitely don't chew rice or noodles. Like cut up into chunks and then yeah. No, but I don't chew. Even this, I feel like I'm barely chewing it. I don't know the appropriate amount. But it goes down, right? Oh my god. Okay. I've basically destroyed half a chicken. I left the chicken tender part. I can show you guys in a sec, but hoo-wee. That was delicious. You guys just watched me destroy half a chicken. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my hands. Delicious. It's very hard to be entertaining on this shit. I never thought about it. Anyways, half a chicken. Boom. Here's all the bones. I still got a salad, so it's healthy. So I'm gonna eat that now. Salad time. I don't want this to drag on too long, so I'm gonna jump into the bidet as soon as possible. That's one thing I've been really needing in the house. There's a couple other things, like a microwave, but I just bought that today. We need a coffee table. There's nothing there yet, and you need one. You just need one. All right, like how are you gonna kick up your feet or food? It's hard to use a TV when there's no coffee table. I feel like I get home, cook, maybe I'll go on a run. But like I want to use time for playing games. Like we should have, like me and Emma should have more competition in like the Mario Karts and Smash Bros. And you guys just come over and like we random days and we can do that too. We need trains. I think about that every time. We have one train stop called Lewis Farms, and it's like outside the Henday, on the way to Spruce Grove. I imagine that would make Griffin's life a lot easier. Or like the one in that'll be done like, I don't know, 30 years. The one that goes to Naki. That would be so sick. And it would facilitate us having fun way more. Don't you agree? I sure do. And I'm stuffed. Holy shit. One of these days I will make a commentary video, because I think that would be fun. Don't know on what. Wow. Isn't it crazy? You could buy a whole cooked bird with sauce on it. Good fucking sauce for like 13 bucks. Crazy world we live in. That is a whole bird. I just ate half a bird just now. Hiking is in, guys. Hiking, fishing, outside. These are all things that happen when you drive an F-150. So, we should all buy pickup trucks and go do those things, guys. But, for real, fishing license for Saskatchewan, so that we can do that August long. I need that. That'd be very fun. Imagine you're on the boat. It's quiet. It's 7 a.m. You're having a morning beer, fishing. Things are quiet. You're chatting. What's this? A tug? You yank that shit up. After a long and tedious battle, of course, but boom. A sea bass from the ocean. What's it doing in this lake? I don't know. But you pulled it up. And then you eat it. That'd be so cool, guys. Chug the rest of this water. Nope. We tried. Okay. Actually, before we start with this bidet, let's test something out. That's not gonna work. Whatever, right here. This is a microwave that I bought. As you can see, it's fucking huge. I don't know what to do about it. Can you see me? This is the side of it. Like, this is how deep it goes. Look how much arm I can put in here. I'm up. That's too much microwave. I think this was a bad idea. By the way, I drank like 75% of this all today. It's empty. I finished it today. I had a lot of cereal and Syrian biscuits. Very delicious. Nutritious? No. Actually, milk is pretty good. Okay, guys. Moment of truth. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Is that too much microwave? Fellas, is that too much microwave? Holy shit! It works! It works! Is that too much microwave? It's so fucking big. Okay. Let's try her out. Lights on. Oh, it needs a little bit of cleaning, but otherwise pretty freaking clean. Like there's nothing on this. Let's just run it. 10 seconds. No light? Oh, there's a light. It's just hard to see. Interesting. Yeah, it's warm in there. How do I do this? There we go. Okay. Microwave works. One purchase done. Oh my god. I bought myself Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar and I didn't have any. Fuck. I'm gonna put a bunch in the fridge so that I could have at least one later. And by a bunch, I mean what I could grab, and that was 2. I could only grab 2. But that's okay. This is the bathroom we're gonna be working in. The camera. This is the camera. You can see yourself. Anyways. The bidet. The bidet, the bidet, the bidet. Bidets. I got 2. Let's unbox it here. Come unbox it with me. This is a lot of video genres. We're doing mukbang, we're doing unboxing, we're doing installation, like how to. You guys like how to videos, right? Oh. From Amazon. So this is it's not like a whole seat, because there's different types. So you can get a bidet toilet, but like obviously I'm not gonna put a whole freaking toilet. So I was looking at bidet seats. I was like, wait a minute, what is this? This is not a bidet seat. It goes under your existing seat, like this. It's just that. So I hope this is good. If not, that's gonna suck. But the reviews seemed okay. Like, I don't really see anything glaringly bad. Okay. It comes with the actual unit itself, which is plastic. And this is the handle that you... This is the butt mode, and this is the self-cleaning mode. As you can see here, there's a nozzle. This is the nozzle that goes into your butt. Can you see that? This goes to your butt. Anyways, the self-cleaning cleans the nozzle. There's different types. There's one type that does your butt and then the front. But I didn't get that type. I got the one that has the butt and a self-cleaning. Hello? Camera didn't die. I don't know what happened there. I think it has a limit. Anyways, no butt mode. Or no front mode, just butt and self-cleaning. I don't know how long that last video was. I'm scared to check. If I upload like an hour-long video, don't fucking watch it, guys. It's not good. Okay. Installation guide. Let's just get into it, guys. Let's just go into the bathroom. I think the lighting there is a lot better. And you know me, high quality, top-notch videos. Ugh! Let's get to it. Let's get to it. I think it did die. I hope it doesn't die again, because that would be a bummer. As I just want to install my bidet and have you be a witness to my testament. I don't know what that means. I'm also scared of flooding everything. But I've done this before. Okay, first things first. Toilet seat gotta come off. You need a screwdriver. I don't have a proper screwdriver. We have a pocket knife. And it'll work. So. Uh-oh. That's coming loose. That's good. Yeah, not much to it. Just take off the toilet seat. There's a little thing on the other side that unscrews. Okay. Same on this side. Okay. No. Unscrew. Okay. She's coming loose. And this is the best thing, is that I have to do this twice. I hope it doesn't take long. Okay. There's the other one. Okay. Toilet seat is off. Yuck. Toilet seat no longer. Now we take this bad boy. This is gonna hold the thing down. Okay? Watch very carefully, guys. Can you see what I'm about to do? Yeah. That goes there. Whoo! And so these just click into place. Right? Look at that. And then the toilet seat goes right back on. That's the magic of it. That's just the magic of it. That's what they say. That these toilet bidets are just magic. And you know what? Most things are magic if you just believe they are. That's what they say. This is what they've always said. Okay. We're gonna get down and dirty on this channel. That's just the kind of stuff we do. Oh my god. That's just the stuff we do. fucking god! I need another hand. I need fucking hands! Okay, I got it. Go tight, go tight. Okay. I read online, if you do finger tight first, then you do, well, then you can move it still, right? But then, once it's finger tight, you go in with the screwdriver. But in my case, you go with the pocket knife, and it just works out better that way. Oh, okay. 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 Hurry up. Okay. Yeah. That's there. That's done. Right now, because it's finger tight, like I told you guys, I can still maneuver it. It has maneuverability. Right? But honestly, no, I don't know. Wait. That should be at the very back, yeah. I agree. Yeah. Yeah. That is satisfactory. Ugh. Now, we can hop in with the freaking thing and get it proper tight. Proper. 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 And close. Next one. Proper. Proper. That's good. Oh yeah, she got some wiggle, unfortunately. You best not yank on it too hard. But that's what they always say. You best not yank on it too hard. Let's see what I can do about that. Because I know we got some yankers. Whew. The microwave. Why is the microwave? This microwave is haunted. Did you hear that? They told me that would happen, by the way. Holy moly! That's got some wiggle. Check all that wiggle, guys. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I can't be fucked. It's gonna have to do. Can I swear on YouTube? Installation guide now. Right. Right. Turn off the supply valve and drain the toilet completely. Okay, let's do that. Turn it off. Which way is off, brother? Which way is off? On? On is which way? Off is that way? Oh, I think it's off now. One way to check, and this is like, most people know this, like maybe if you're not in the toilet biz, you won't know it. The way to check that, flush the toilet. And listen, do you hear that? Because I sure don't. That means the water supply is off. It's not filling up the tank anymore. That's exactly what I need. That means, my friends, the water is off. Now, let's bring a towel because, again, if you're not in the toilet biz, you might not know this. There's usually like leftover water in this system. So we get a towel just in case. And lucky for us, I was already gonna wash this one. Next up, very important. Can you even see anything, guys? Fucking hell. Ugh. Next up. Screw off the water hose underneath the toilet tank. Duh. If you're in the toilet biz, you know that one. Most people know that one. That, like, again, this paper here is for people who, you know, are not too familiar. They don't know really the ins and outs. And here's a quick, good tip. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, lefty loosey. If you know, you know. Oh man. And so this lefty loosey trick is really working out today. Sometimes it doesn't always work. Oh yeah, guys, like I said, there was remaining water in the system. But like the towel that I set up, I predicted it. It caught it all, the water. So now there's nothing on the floor. And that's just the kind of little tricks that make you, you know, more professional and more desirable as a toilet guy. Right? It's those kind of tricks that enable you to be good at your job. Next up, guys, we got a T-valve installation. This is called a T-valve. Oh, fuck, that hurt. T-valve, because it makes a T. It makes a T. Okay? And what I'm doing right now is I'm putting the rubber seal, and this is to help with leakage of the water variety. Now, my friends, we take this and we connect it to the pre-existing setup that we already have. And I can show you what that looks like here. This, already there. That little nozzle is going to go to the toilet. This is going to go to the already existing hose. And that T is going to go to the new hose. Sneak peek later, or I'll give you a sneak peek later. New. Okay. Now you're going to watch the back of my head as I install. Actually, I'll face this way. What's a guy gotta do to make a good YouTube video? Okay. Now I'm screwing in the T-valve to the original hose. And once I this is the other thing, you gotta make sure the T is facing the right way, because remember, like that is gonna lead to the new hose that you're installing. So it's gotta face the right way. Next up, you can see that T is on there. Now I need to connect it to the main toilet, to the toilet. I'm gonna have to get in there. I'm gonna have to get in there, guys. I'm gonna have to get in here. Unfortunately, in the toilet biz, you gotta get in there sometimes. Nooks and crannies and yep, all sorts of stuff sometimes. But that's just what it is. Sometimes you need even two hands to really lock it in there. Yeah. Yep. That's just the kind of stuff you gotta do. Yep. And you really want to make sure it's tight, but not too tight, but tight, because you don't want water leaking all over the place. Okay guys, next up is a very important step. You gotta connect the T to the bidet itself, because otherwise you're just shooting water out of the hose into the floor. You don't want to do that. So let's set this up. Okay, that goes there. Okay. Okay. There's no plumbing tape here. Isn't that interesting? There was no plumbing tape? Whatever. Not like that we need that or anything. Not like we need that or anything, guys. I gotta get in there. That's just how it is sometimes. You gotta get in there. Uh-oh. This one I gotta really get in there. Okay. Okay. Just screw it in normally. Yep. Nothing to see here. Just a guy installing a bidet. Very easily, might I add. No issues whatsoever for this guy. Has that always been like that? Guys, I'm worried now. Uh-oh. The hose is really bent. The original one now. Because of all this extra hosage. Or, do you know what I mean? I sure hope when I turn on the water, it doesn't go freaking everywhere. Oh, buddy. We gotta get in there. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. Am I loosening it or tightening it? I want to tighten it. Come on. And then guys, a trick for that. Again, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Don't forget it. That one you'll use every day. And we gotta do the same thing on that side. And by that side, you won't know what I'm talking about unless you're seeing what I'm seeing. Oh, buddy. This is so stupid. It's so freaking flood. That's not right. That's not right, man. I'm gonna destroy everything. Yeah, at what point do I freaking stop? Okay. Oh, you're getting just an elbow shot. Some YouTube video, huh? Luckily, Emma had a wrench, and that's helping out a lot. You always want a wrench if you're in the toilet industry. But guys, I think that's all she wrote. So, shall we turn it on? Let's see if it floods everywhere. Okay, that's not okay. That is not good. Typically, you really don't want that. Let's turn it on. Ready? Let's do this. Oh. Oh. The toilet bowl is filling up, that means. No leaking. No leaking, guys. And I'll just show you what that noise is. That's just the toilet bowl filling up. No need to be alarmed. You see, just a regular old toilet bowl filling up. No need to be alarmed or afraid. Be not afraid. There's no leaking. At least that I can visibly see if it's happening underneath the floor. That's, you know what they say? If you can't see it, didn't happen. That's what they say in the toilet biz. They say that all the time. All the time they say that. Okay. I mean, frickin' shall we? Shall we test this bad boy out? Okay. It's gonna shoot up water. Let's see. We just turn the nozzle. Okay, let's do cleaning mode. Oh! Oh! Is that good? Any leaks? Guys, no leaks. Check that out. That's the self-cleaning. This is how, if you have poo-poo on the nozzle, you clean the poop off the nozzle. Now, if you want to clean your butt, you would turn it this way. I'm scared. I'm covered in water. I'm covered in water. I think you know what I have to do now. Okay, guys, it works. It works very well. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. We did a mukbang, we did a bidet installation, we did a bidet test, we did an unboxing. Thank you for coming along on this journey. Take care now. Bye-bye. I took a picture. How do I turn it off?